See? Can't wait to open this. I want to see what's inside. Let's cut it open and see. There are some foam box around the printer. Obviously this is too big and heavy for me. It weighs as much as me, so I won't take a chance. I'm just going to move the stuff away first, and then I'm going to call for some help. Okay, I got some help and the printer is on the rack now. Let's keep unpacking it. I'm going to remove the bubble wrap. So this is the accessories, comes with the 3D printer. We've got the PLA filament, a spool holder, and a bag of there's some Allen keys, a screwdriver, a wrench, and a USB stick for the software, a USB cable, a filament guide too, but it doesn't seem like a PTFE. I don't know what that is. And a glue stick. Not a very good side, but okay, we'll see. So on the top we have the instruction. Usually FlashForge are pretty good at this. It comes with both Chinese and English, so for you guys it's okay. Just open it. This is the warranty. Put it aside. And we still have one more accessory. That's the power cable in here. And let me peel off the sticker. Cover out first. Usually mostly I print with PLA, but the cover are for ABS, so I'm going to put it aside first. So there's some clips I need to remove from the bell and the smooth wrap first. Try to use the middle nose pliers. Now I'm going to plug in the power cable and remove the bubble underneath. It's a nice large display. It's very easy to read. So we go to tools and then menu. Now let's level the bed. So I'm gonna read the instruction as we go along. Screw 3 nuts under the platform, enter clockwise until you can't tighten them anymore, then tap OK button. Alright. Are you sure you can't tighten these 3 nuts anymore? Yes. Distance too big. Unscrew corresponding nut under platform clockwise until hearing a steady beat. So I followed the instruction, and as you can see, the nut almost fall off, but the little switch, it didn't touch the bed at all. I guess let me try unscrew the other one as well. It's so strange. I followed the instruction, but it didn't say anything like unscrew 2 at the same time. I guess I would talk to FlashForge later about this problem. And now just tap OK button to next point leveling. Unscrew the same thing, unscrew corresponding nut under platform clockwise until hearing a steady beat. I hope this time I don't need to unscrew 2 at the same time. So it's level, it's okay, but I'm not totally happy about it. I would consider it assisted leveling rather than auto leveling. I will talk to FlashForge about it and see what they can do. Maybe they can improve it a little bit. Now I'm going to load some filament and try out a test print. I'm going to load in the PLA filament that came in the box. On the display, just press tools and then filament, load. Just wait till it heats up to 100%. Alright, looks like it comes out smoothly. Let's try a test print. Now go back to the menu, select build, and then I'm just gonna print out whatever is on my USB stick and the box PLA. try some soft filament. This is Fresh Print. It's the FlashForge slicer. I know a lot of people prefer Simplify 3D. I like it also. It's a very powerful tool. And if I have a difficult print, I'll definitely use it. But 90% of my prints, I just use Fresh Print. It's easy and simple, so I tend to use it more. This is the bottom I'm trying to print. Of course, first I need to add the support because it's hanging in the in the air. So I generate the support, and then I'm not going to save the file. But take a look. It's now this is how it looks. And here I hit print. It's just the default setting. I didn't change anything. Boom. That's it. Here's what we know about the printer so far. Number one, I took it out of the box this morning. I leveled the back, I hit print, and it printed. Printing out of the box is very important for me because I don't want to spend too much time to fiddle with it. Number two, it is assisted leveling. It's not auto leveling. So it might take you a minute to level the back. But after that, I printed the Bikini. There was no problem. There were no fail prints or jam. I didn't cut out any part of that in my video, but you do have to be aware of this issue. Number three, it is very difficult to print out soft filament, and this and the FlashForge Guided tool does that. I'm very happy about that because it's my priority. I often print out a lot of wearables, and I think for cosplayer it's the same. Number four, there is this big black box on the top of the extruder. We don't know what's going on there. What if it jams? What if other stuff happen? I still need to open it and see what happens. So I will shoot more videos in the future and show you guys what the potential problems are. But until then, I have a pool party to attend to. Hopefully the FlashForge Guided tool printed is strong enough. It won't fall apart. And I will keep you guys updated. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.